Today we came to Pop-Up Factory to see how the technology orchestrates the industry and improve the processes with some automation.
Don't have the programming what KUKA robots will do from in this SAP system. It just knows what's going to be done. All the data which can be used for quality purposes or any different purpose. And in this case, you don't have non-conformance. On the tile, which is assigned for this control head. So we are doing here like do jobs, did jobs, so SAP sends the information and I'm going to choose the order that we have created. So you can see the big screen actually. So in this case, I was doing both roles, but of course for production operation. So now I can also see here in the screen actually you already sent the information what you saw in the production order. Afterwards we'll grab one of the heads here. We chose the blue color, so it will take the blue color here. And then I will continue working on, I can continue as a production operator working on that control head. So now it's grabbed the blue color, that's what we have chosen. And it will locate on the control head.